Riyadus Saliheen. Chapter 184, Desirability of Assembling for the Recitation of the Noble Qur'an. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, the Messenger of Allah peace be upon him said, any group of people that assemble in one of the houses of Allah to study the Qur'an, tranquility will descend upon them, mercy will engulf them, angels will surround them and Allah will make mention of them to those, the angels, in his proximity. Reported in Sahih Muslim. Commentary, the meaning of the hadith is that they teach one another by discussing the Quranic sciences, and knowledge the Qur'an contains. This meaning is correct because both these acts are auspicious and are means of gaining the pleasure of Allah. This hadith, however, does not tell us in any way that this group of people recite the Qur'an all at once. This is bid'ah, for this was not the practice of the Messenger of Allah peace be upon him.
يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك